The whisper beneath the cough. Mrs. Patel, 68, walked in with a persistent cough. No fever, no weight loss. Just this nagging thing, she said, eyes darting toward the window. Dr. Mira glanced at the notes. 3 visits in 6 weeks. Antibiotics, inhalers, normal chest x-ray. But something didn't sit right. She asked gently, "Do you live alone?" Mrs. Patel paused, her heart heavy. "Ever since my children joined the army, things have felt so different." Dr. Mira leaned in, her expression heavy with concern. "Do you ever feel breathless when you're not coughing?" Mrs. Patel nodded slowly, "Especially at night. I sleep sitting up now." Silent pause. Dr. Mira ordered an echocardiogram. Diagnosis: heart failure with preserved ejection fraction. The cough wasn't from the lungs, it was the heart whispering for help. Treatment began. Diuretics, lifestyle support, cardiology referral. But more than that, Mrs. Patel received something she hadn't expected. Someone who listened beyond the symptom. Not every cough is just about your lungs. Sometimes it's your heart trying to speak up. If you want more stories like this, drop a comment, like and subscribe.